Welcome to crypto, welcome to Solana, and welcome to your Web3 journey. My name is Seb Monty, and I'm going to guide you along this so you can understand it just bit by bit, easy peasy. Now, you're likely here because you've heard of Solana or Bitcoin or Ethereum, or maybe you've heard of a meme coin, a community coin such as Bonk or WIF. So let's get you started with the first steps. Here we are at Jupe.ag. This is the official website for Jupiter. We need to find the welcome section. We can see this banner right here. If we click on this, it takes us where we want to go. Alternatively, just come up here, hover over this, and then click Welcome to Solana. This website, you go ahead and bookmark. Just bookmark it so you know where it is. And this is the one you'll share with your friends in the future. Welcome.jupe.ag. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do when you're actually entering the world of Solana is you need a Web3 wallet. These are some of the options that we have available on Solana. And if you refresh this page, they will change again. Do another refresh, and here we can see some of them. Backpack, Phantom, and Solflare. These are the most popular Web3 wallets. We're going to go with the Phantom wallet because it's deemed generally the most user-friendly wallet, but you can choose whichever one you like. So let's click on this, and this takes us to Phantom.app. Here we have to download this wallet. We can download it on Brave, which is a browser, but we can also get it on other browsers as well. Chrome, Firefox, Brave as I mentioned, and Edge. It is not supported on Safari. If we scroll down further, we can also get it on our Android phone and our iOS phone as well. It's very important when you're grabbing your wallet, you go via welcome.jupe.ag and always use the official links. I'm using Brave, which is similar to Chrome, so let's go ahead and download it here. We'll see this wallet here. It has 876 ratings and over 3 million users. This is the correct one. Let's add to Brave and then click Add Extension. Now, if you're brand new to the Solana ecosystem, you're going to be needing to create a new wallet. If you've come from another ecosystem, such as Ethereum, you can either create a new wallet or you can use your MetaMask secret recovery passphrase and import it right here under this tab right here. There are other options for people that are more experienced. For the new users, let's create a new wallet. First, we need to give it a good password. I've added a very strong password. You can also use a password manager to record these very strong passwords. Then we click here and you can go and read the terms if you like and continue. The next part is very important. Underneath here is your secret recovery phrase. To avoid any confusion, your secret recovery phrase will be different to mine. And if anyone ever has access to your secret recovery phrase, then they will be able to access your wallet and your crypto. So you must keep it super safe. I'm giving you a little glimpse into what this phrase looks like. We can see the first word is then, and the last word is when, and the other 10 words I have blurred out. But in total, you'll have 12 words. Go and record these somewhere super safe. Now for your eyes only. Then click I have saved my secret recovery phrase and continue. And now you're all done. Just click Get Started. Now if we come up here, we can just go and pin this. And here is our Phantom wallet. Now, quick little tip. Come up here. This is called the hamburger menu. Then come down to settings and then click on active networks. And if you're not using the Ethereum or Polygon network, just go and toggle them off. It just makes it a little bit easier to navigate everything on day one. The next step, connect your wallet. Select Phantom and click Connect. We've now connected. Now we've got step 2. We need to get some Solana. The Solana coin is on the Solana blockchain. This is the token that we need in order to do transactions. But more on that in another video. You have 3 different options and you want to get at least 0.1 Sol. 0.1 Sol right now is around about $15 US. The first thing is a little bit more complex, and this only applies if you're already familiar with, say, Ethereum or another blockchain, in which case you can use a cross-chain bridge. We'll cover that in another tutorial though. The next option is an on-ramp service. This allows you to take your money from your bank, such as US dollars, pounds, euros, etc., and convert them into Solana using another provider. So as an example, maybe we have £100 that we want to spend. Maybe we even do a little bit less, like 50. We can then use this service to buy some Sol. So we click Buy with Mercurio, and this takes us to a new service. We can put in our email, do everything here, provide anything required, and we can put in our credit card or our debit card and transfer the money into Solana. The other option, of course, is to use centralized exchanges. A centralized exchange is something like Binance or Coinbase or OKX. Quite often people use these. There are many limitations of these, however, they do offer a good way to on-ramp and off-ramp. As in, you can take your currency and turn it into Solana, and in the future, you can sell your Solana or Bitcoin or another token and convert it back into your currency and put it into your bank account. You have the instructions right here, but let us know in the comments below if you need a dedicated tutorial. I'm sending some Solana into this wallet right now, so we should actually see it update very shortly. There we have it, almost 1 Sol. This gives us a value in US dollars. We cannot change it to another local currency. Only US dollars is displayed. Now let's scroll on down to step number 3. Swap on Solana. We've got almost 1 Sol. We can see it right here, and we've got a whole lot of tokens that we can go and buy. Now let's get swapping. As an example, you may want to take 0.1 Sol and convert it or swap it into Bonk. Click swap and then click confirm. This will pop up your wallet where you will see a little bit more than 0.1 Sol is taken, and what we're going to get is Bonk. There's this very small extra fee right here, 0.00204 Sol. That's used for the transaction fees and to set up the Bonk account. After you have the Bonk account, if you sell the Bonk or buy the Bonk, you will not have to pay that fee again. Let's click confirm, and as we can see the swap was successful, we now have some Bonk, and if we go up into our Phantom wallet, we can see that Bonk right here, right now. Now for step number 4, exploring dApps. dApps are decentralized applications. These are blockchain applications. So there's so many things that you can explore, take your time, learn them, have fun. We have categories such as DeFi, which is decentralized finance, liquidity, which is all about earning returns on your crypto. We've got NFTs, we have payment systems, and we have games. And there's plenty more. Let us know in the comments below which dApps you would like us to cover. If you need any help or if you have any questions, just join in Discord. Thanks for watching.